Assalamualaikum students. In this video, I will demonstrate you the mobilization technique at superior tibiofibular joint, inferior tibiofibular joint. After that, I will cover the patellofemoral joint and then I will cover tibiofemoral joint. So in this video, I will go through the practical demonstration of three joints. So first, I will start with the superior tibiofibular joint. At the superior tibiofibular joint, as it articulates with the convex surface of the fibula and the concave surface of the tibial condyle. So there are two glides which are possible at this anterior glide and the posterior glide. Anterior glide help to improve the plantar flexion and the posterior glide help to improve the dorsiflexion. So I will start one by one. So for the superior tibiofibular joint, the open pelvic position is 10 degrees semiflexion, 10 degrees plantar flexion at the ankle joint, and the knee is in the semiflex position. You can palpate head of fibula at the lateral side of just below the knee joint. This is the tibial tuberosity, and this is the lateral side and head of fibula. And at the lower end, you can palpate the lateral malleolus. So there are two glides, interior glide and posterior glide. In this position, I can easily apply the posterior glide. Posterior glide will improve the dorsiflexion. So you can apply glide with hand, fixate the tibia with one hand, and with the help of the thumb, reinforce with the other thumb. This is the posterior glide at the, so you can see, posterior glide at the head of fibula. It will improve the dorsiflexion. Now for the interior glide at the proximal tibiofibular joint, I will approach from the opposite side. The same position is, and palpate the tibial head, the fibular head from the opposite side and apply the interior glide. So from this side, you can see this is the interior glide at the superior tib joint. Now for the lower joint, for if you want to improve the plantar inversion and eversion, so for the eversion improvement, it is the combination of two glides, posterior, superior glide. So stabilize the lower leg over your towel, cushion or a thigh, and stabilize the medial malleolus with one hand and place your fingers. And with the other hand, apply the glides posterior and superior. Apply the posterior and superior glides at the distal tibiofibular joint. It will help to improve the eversion. For the interior and inferior glides, you can apply the same glide from this side, from the interior and inferior in this way. So in this way, you can apply glides at the superior tib joint and the inferior tib joint. Now for the mobilization of patellofemoral joint. At the patellofemoral joint, four glides are possible: superior glide, inferior glide, medial glide, and the lateral glide. Now I will show you. I'm going to keep it near. The open back position or the resting position of patella is 5 degrees of flexion. So 5 degrees of flexion. 5 degrees of flexion. To keep this 5 degrees of flexion, add a pillow or a towel. So right now I'm using the towel. You can see I'm using a towel. Place the towel under the knee and palpate the patella. So right from this side, I can apply the superior glide, proximal one, make a cup and apply. This is the superior glide. Keep your elbow extended. This is the superior glide at the patellofemoral joint. For the inferior glide, I have to approach from the opposite side like this and apply the inferior glide. So distal glide and inferior glide. The distal glide helps to improve the flexion. It can also be given in the limited if the patient is not able to bend the knee beyond this degree. So fixate the femur and apply the glide from here, like in this direction. So this is the distal glide at the patella. The next one is the medial and the lateral glide. You can easily palpate the patella If you want to apply the medial glide, approach from the lateral side and apply the glide. So hold the patella and move into that direction. Better to use the cup of your hand and apply the glide. This is the medial glide, and from here, this is the lateral glide. Now for the tibiofemoral joint. In this joint, the lower end of femur is convex and the upper end of the tibia is concave shaped. So, as per rule, there are two glides, anterior glide and the posterior glide. So, the knee is in the resting position, which is 25 to 40 degree of flexion. Before applying the glide, stabilize the foot, hold the tibia with both hands, and apply the posterior glide. So hold it and move into posterior side. So it will help to improve the flexion. For the interior glide, hold it and move towards your side. This is the interior glide at the femorotibial joint. Now for the medial and the lateral glide. Medial and the lateral glides can be applied in two ways. In this position, you can also apply it. So for use your hand, keep it like this. If you want to apply the medial glide, put your hand on the lateral aspect of the tibia and medial. So with this hand, I'm stabilizing the femur, and with this hand, I'm going to give the glide at the tibia. So you can see this is the medial glide at the tibia. The same for the lateral glide, hold the femur from the lateral side and apply glide at the tibia from the medial side. So you can use your hand in this position. This one is for the medial glide and this one is for the lateral glide. Medial and lateral glides can also be given in the sideline position. Okay. Stabilize the femur. So in this, femur is stabilized by applying both hands. So I'm going to give the glide. This is going to the lateral. This is the lateral glide at the tibiofemoral joint. The lateral and the medial glide help to improve the both flexion and extension. If you want to give the other glide, you can apply. Now fixate the tibia, and this is the medial glide at the tibiofemoral joint. So there are four glides at the tibiofemoral joint. The one is the interior glide. The second one is the posterior glide, lateral glide, and the medial glide. So in this way, we can apply the techniques and improve the ranges at the tibiofibular joint, patellofemoral joint, and fib joint. Thank you.